Hello guys, so now we're going to go over the copy command or the CP command, and this is a really key tool because you can just copy files and you can copy folders as well. So the syntax for this, if you do CP, I always forget, help. This one will give you all the options that you can use. You can use recursive, you can use the symbolic link, suffix T for the target, update P to preserve, and a lot of other ones in here that you can do. But we are going to keep this as basic, right? So let's say let's say that you want to copy new 1, new 2, new 3 to, let's say, hello. But before we do that, let's go ahead and basically change the name of hello to new ls. So we have changed that. We have that new directory in here. So now let's go ahead and we want to copy 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3. New 1, new 2, and new 3 to new directory. The way that you do that, you do a CP, and you go on and specify the text or the file that you want to copy, and you can do multiple ones, of course. And then you want to specify the target where you want to send it. So I want to send it to this destination. So I want to copy 1, 2, and 3, and I want to send it to this directory. Now if we do an ls new, we can see in here that we have copy, new 1, new 2, and new 3, and we also have it in here, right? We did not delete it, we did not move it, right? This is copy, so we are copying it, and then after we copying it, we are taking it to a new destination, but we are still saving the current one in here, right? Let's go ahead and do a CP. Now let's go ahead and copy like hello, and I want to copy hello into new. So to be able to do that, we need to do recursive, and there we go. So that's going to recursively do it because it is a directory to a directory. So now if we do an ls, we can see that it is still here. But if we do an ls in this directory, new, we are going to see that we have the hello that we copy, and we have the text documents that we also copy in here. Really, really cool. And you can also copy whatever is in a text file, it could copy it to another text file. So let's say we have ls in here, we have the new 2 and new 1. Let's go ahead and just do nano to open new 1. Let's say this is new 1.txt. Save it in here, and then if you do a nano 2 just to add text to it, nano 2. Oh, this is new 2.txt, right? And let's go ahead and save this. And if you do like cat, we haven't gone over cat yet, but we will. We see that the content of it says this is new 1.txt, and if you go to 2, you will say this is new.txt. So now let's go ahead and copy the content of new 1 to new 2. So if you do a CP, new 1.txt, we're going to copy it to new 2.txt. Press enter. All right, so we copy the content of new 1 to new 2. So if we do a cat new 2, we are going to see that it now says this is new 1.txt, right? Because we copy whatever the content in here to this text file. Really cool, right? So now we are going to copy files between two directories. Let's see what do we have. ls, so I think in file, ls file. In here we have file 3, 4, 5, and 6. So I want to move this to new, or I want to copy all the contents of file and just move it to new. So if we do an ls new, you can see what we have here. So now let's go ahead and do CP, and the option is going to be capital R, and we're going to copy the files, or the files are in the file directories, right, to the new directory. Let's go and press enter. And now if we do an ls file, it's going to be the same. But if we go to do the ls new, you're going to see that we also copy. So a copy, let's say file, it didn't copy the file text, but it did copy it though, because what it did was it copied the file inside the new directory, right? So now if we do like an ls new and then we go into the file, we are going to see that the content, it's in there. So really cool, guys, really cool. So this is it for this video. Just wanted to keep it like that so you guys can see how you can copy files, how you can copy directories, how you can copy a directory into another directory, how you can copy a content and move it to another content, right? Or a content of a file, move it to another content of a file. Really cool. So this is it for this video, like always, and thank you for watching.